Hey guys, I was just about to do a video on basil when I got the hiccups, and I don't know why, but I thought perfect. I could show everyone a quick and easy way to get rid of hiccups. So I've got a glass of water here, and I'm going to add 5 drops of peppermint. Okay, now the trick is, so peppermint's really great for your digestive system, yeah? Trick is to drink this glass of water really fast, and then we'll see how my hiccups are, yeah? So one more hiccup before we go. Oh, okay. Very cooling on my lips. Yep, they're gone. Yay! My lips are very cold right now. Yeah. So that's the trick, how to get rid of your hiccups. So 5 drops of peppermint in a glass of water. Try that next time. Bye, guys.